is exciting because we're beginning our trip to Canada. We're going to Banff. We're doing lots of naturey things. It'll be my first time in Alberta. Like a couple weeks ago, I just went to Canada for the first time, and I went to Victoria, BC. So now we're going to Alberta, so I'm excited. And yeah, let's get this vlog going. Good morning, guys. So didn't film too much yesterday, but we left Seattle and we drove all the way to this town called Kamloops in BC, British Columbia. And now we're just getting ready to leave. It was like a 6-hour drive from Seattle, and yeah, very scenic and beautiful. Today we are leaving to head to Canmore in Alberta, which is where we're staying for most of our trip. We're very excited. It's gonna be awesome, very naturey, and yeah, beautiful. I hope that the weather isn't too rainy. The forecast says that it's gonna be kind of rainy, but hopefully not.
You feel like summer days to me, warm, tender, sunny rays. I hope that we are meant to be. You say nothing at all when we meet, yet somehow I know your history. Oh, come what may, I'm ready.
Okay, so we made it to Canmore, where we're gonna be staying for the rest of our trip. And the weather for the next few days is gonna be a little bit rainy, but it's not raining right now, so we're hopeful. And today we just did a little creek walk into town. We're gonna explore the town of Canmore. Good morning, guys. Today we're up early and we're driving around. What's this road called?
Smith Dorian Trail.
Smith Dorian Trail, to look for wildlife. We just got back from our excursion and we saw a bunch of wildlife. We saw 2 black bears, 1 grizzly bear, and we saw a moose from kind of far away, but it was super beautiful. Freezing cold, snowing, and it's June and I can't believe it, and yeah. So we're back at the condo now and I'm just making myself some breakfast since it's like 10:30. I got some local eggs, so I'm excited. I love my eggs. I got these local eggs. I also got this Saskatoon berry jam. And also, just look at this peanut butter. I don't know if this is like special because we're like in bear country, but I thought it was cute and I was like, I have to get this peanut butter, obviously. Okay guys, we're about to go do a hike on a glacier for 3 hours.
Short dip.
We finished the hike. No crevasse falls. It was really beautiful and fun. It snowed, so we didn't get to see like the blue.
You were like checking your watch as we.
Hey guys, today we're going to Lake Louise. We all got sunburned yesterday, so we put on sunscreen today. And this is like a super popular place to go in Banff, so there's lots of people.
We stand by the fire, your tiny hand in mine. Your five.
Sorry if you can hear me. We're in Banff now. This is the famous, iconic hotel. Today we went on another wildlife drive and we saw some more animals. Now, like I said, we're in Banff and we're gonna go do some shopping and explore the town. 2 more days left, but tomorrow's our last day in Alberta. Good morning guys, today is our last day in Banff and we're going on a little hike. We haven't done too much hiking today, or this trip. What's this hike called? Johnston Falls?
Johnston Canyon Falls.
Johnston Canyon Falls hike. It's very popular. There's a lot of people here and we'll see how it is. Taking a little gondola ride and gonna get some lunch at the top.
Welcome, this is your life now, the wasteland where we all take.
Okay, we're back in Canmore for the last time, doing one last stroll through town. So we are leaving Canmore and we're heading home. We have to drive for 2 days, but I'll probably end the vlog here. Thanks for watching.